Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So $10 gets you a lot. This is a Poetic case, and this is the carbon shield for the HTC U12 Plus. I've been rocking a different case, but I'm going to switch over to this one for a little while. Comes in this eco-friendly packaging like usual. You guys know how Poetic does it. This is the case right here. Now this case is a lot thinner than I thought it was going to be, but it does have a nice look to it, a nice texture. This is actually a textured case. Probably can't tell too much of the video, but this is textured. You got all the cutouts and ports and everything there. Make sure your microphones are cut out. I can't stress that enough. There's a lot of microphones on this phone, so make sure that you have a case that has all the cutouts. So you've got your branding inside there. Just pop the phone in here, and definitely feels really good. It's lightweight, but it has that grip that we want. Again, all ports and everything are cut out back here. The little face is showing, you know. Eyes, nose, mouth. So you've got a hole here for one of the microphones. You got a microphone hole there, up there, and down there. You've got the charger sink and speaker out right there. So you can see it has a little bit of lip protection along the front, just a hair. So when you sit it down, the front of the phone won't actually be touching the table. So it's a quick video on a nice case. This case feels great. I'm going to go ahead and rock out with this for a while. It has a lot of texture compared to the 2D case on the back here. So this has a little bit more grip on the main part of the case and a little bit less grip on the sides. However, it definitely feels good. I don't think I would drop this anytime soon with this case. Lots and lots of grip on the back here. So nice case here from Poetic, the Carbon Shield shock absorbent case. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Most cases now cost 10 bucks because, you know, buying a case that's over $20, you're probably going to buy a case that you really like because of a certain reason, and you're just going to keep that case indefinitely. You're not a case shopper. You know, you find that one case and you're willing to invest 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks because you're going to keep it. Just like your tempered glass. The Whitestone domes are definitely something that if you buy one of those, you don't want to buy one of those if you switch phones a lot. So here you have it, folks, the HTC U12 Plus with the Carbon Shield case from Poetic. See you guys in the next video.